everybody wants to use AI and they want to know how you're going to start using it in your real estate business.
I'm not. I hate AI. I look at Facebook now and all the infomercials and stuff and you immediately tell that's AI, that's AI. To me, it's artificial, artificial intelligence. Amy and I, on our way back from Alabama, she called to get us a motel room in Decatur, Alabama, and ended up with an AI person asking all these questions, and it was like you could tell immediately it was AI, and we hated it because I want to talk to a real person, and I know the world is leaning that way, but I'm not going to use AI ever. That's all in a nutshell, basically.
Visit dananutt.org/help. That's DANANUTT.org/help to learn more about how Dana can personally help you put on your work boots and take back control of your time, your money, and your life through real estate investing.